Hey, psycho. What?
Finish him.
Uh-oh. Fat boy fell over, huh?
Fatality.
Was that too good? Now, if you are a motorcycle enthusiast, you can actually see some crazy deals out here too. And then you can also see carnage like this. Now, unfortunately for motorcycles, you know pretty much if they're carnage, it's probably very likely that those folks did not survive. Well, let's take a look at some motorcycles today.
Hey, 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 ice, drip, white, wrist, bad, bitch, she, thick.
I'm not really a cruiser guy. I'm also not a ninja guy, but you know, I'll take a look at them here or there. This one looks like it got laid down. It is a 17 300cc Kawasaki Ninja. Okay. And see, some of these don't have bent forks or anything. They could definitely be used again. You definitely could still ride them. And it's these kind of ones that really, really, really interest me for sure. You know, just as like a little putt-putt around town. It wouldn't be something I would do. You know, you got this Gixxer right next to it. What is this? This is a 2012 Gixxer 600. Nice. Nice. And then you got cool little examples like this. This is an old school looking Triumph, right? I don't know what year this is, but this looks nice. This looks nice. Now you see the dents. You can see where the bike got laid down. Okay. You see the scuffing there, right? You can see the damage to the tank here. And you can see the damage on the pipe here. But that doesn't, this might not affect how the bike runs. Do you see what I'm saying? Like, you could still probably ride this bike. You know, you'd have to get it inspected, make sure that there's no bend in the forks or anything like that. But more than likely, you probably could still ride this damn thing. Huh. I like the ram mounts. I like that it has the mounts and stuff in it. This is actually a really nice bike. Does it light up? Nope. No power, no nothing. That sucks. Oh well. And then you'll find, you know, crazy deals like this. Now, I know my Harley enthusiasts will love this. Harley Davidson XL 1200. This one still had a paper tag on it, which means the bike is probably brand friggin' new. And more than likely, somebody bought more bike than they can handle. It happens, believe it or not, more often than not. Somebody will buy a bike that they just can't handle. You know what I'm saying? You can see the turn signal is broke. You got some curb rashing and stuff here on the brakes. You know, the tank has a dent in it. You're going to have some rash back there. So it looks like someone just dropped the bike, you know, and Progressive. It's an 18, you know, it's basically brand new. Let's look and see if it has any power. None of these do. All right, no power. It is what it is, but I thought, you know, for my Harley enthusiasts, I thought they might enjoy this. Man, I think my I might get a bunch of Harley Davidson subscribers out of this. This is a Road King that looks like it doesn't have any issues. I don't see where it's been dropped or laid down. I don't see any scuffing. I don't see any dents on the bike itself. Now, this is a 2007. It does have the modified, you know, tall handlebars up top. It does not have any keys, so that could be part of the reason why. I wonder if it's mechanical. Huh. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you guys like motorcycle videos, or if you think I should do just totally separate videos for motorcycles, let me know in the comments below. And if my motorcycle fans, I will get these in. Now, I have bought a bike from Copart before. For those that have been following me for a long time that remember my Hayabusa, I actually bought that from Copart. it was laid down. It needed some new plastics and stuff. And, you know, we put a new Yoshi pipe on it, and it was good to go. But anyways, here's that Road King. Let me know what you guys think about that. And right next to that Road King, we have a Harley Davidson Sportster 1200 Custom. Got a little rust on the exhaust pipes. Nothing that a little bit of wet sanding and maybe some high grit paper and some wet sanding and some polish couldn't take care of. This is a 2002, according to its paperwork on it. Now, I don't think it has any power, but I'll go ahead and try to give it a shot. Nope, it's been left on. I think people do that on purpose on the bikes too, believe it or not, just so people won't try to bid on them. Now, look, these little scooters, these 50cc scooters, these little 50cc scooters are literally $500, $600 brand new. If you buy one of these for more than like $50 from one of these places, or like $20 from one of these places, you're stupid. Damn! I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I've seen people pay $500 for these on the auctions, and I'm like, why? Here is a Triumph Tiger. Some significant damage on this one. I'm sure the rider probably didn't fare out too well on that one. Definitely not one I would want to look at, especially with the hard scuffing and stuff up here on the forks. Yep. I mean, and then there's some cool parts bikes. Like if you just wanted a stunt bike or something. Oh, look at that lizard. That lizard is like, what? What are you doing over here? Don't come over here messing with my... Look, he's trying to change color. Look, his head's one color. He's like, don't come over here messing with my shit, man. Well, here's some bike carnage that, you know, you don't see bikes that are burned out bikes every day, but this one is definitely a burnout. There's the cylinder head right there. Look at that. That's a BMW. I'm betting you it's probably a 1200, and it is, or 1300, and it's all ragged out. Sad. Man, so many bikes, so little time. This is another Harley Davidson. It's got a broken headlight, so it might have hit something from the front. I don't see any bends in the forks, but just not seeing a bend in the fork doesn't mean anything. That could be bent anyway. This one was laid down. Oh yeah, look at this brake right here. You can see the timing chain right there. That'd be a no. That tells me why this one's here. Sad. Oh, big dent. Big dent in the gas tank. And this is 16, soft tail. Ouch. Ouch. All right, now this one is a police bike, or was a police bike, and it was probably retired. You can see here it's got the Harley Davidson police sticker on it.
And say, fuck you and your ticket too.
You can see the police lights, the strobes that were in here that they took out. It's probably still got all the same stuff on it. It's still got some of the stickers and stuff on the back, right? The lighting and stuff, for the most part, I think is all been removed. Give you guys a view of this thing from the back. You can see the pipes. This bike wasn't laid down. It just may have been retired, and now they sent it here. Oh, it got hit from the rear. You can see the damage right there where it got hit. But that's a police special bike. I mean, that's pretty nice. That is pretty nice. Oh, somebody bought them a ZL1 at Copart. It's going out the door. And we got an Indian. This is a 2016. It's funny, like you'll see whole motorcycle engines just laying out here. There's a Suzuki 1000. You'll find some diamonds in the rough here. I definitely would tell you it's always good to check out these. You know, if you go to Copart and you are into motorcycles, check out Copart. You never know what you might find. You have no idea what you'll find until you actually go and check it out. You never know. You can find some hellified deals. You know what I'm saying? Oh. And then we got this Harley Davidson. Oh, this is sad. You can see somebody hit something hard with this. Forks are definitely going to be bent. Front end's all smashed. Ouch. Yep. Not good. I mean, I could do this all day, guys. Look at that. Look at that sport Harley over there. If you guys want to see some dedicated motorcycle only videos, let me know in the comment section down below. This is just going to be a short one for today. If you guys want to see more dedicated ones, let me know in the comments and I will go ahead and get you guys some motorcycle content. All right, guys, that was just a little bonus video. Again, like I gave you guys the Carnage video yesterday, just a little bonus video with some motorcycles. If you guys want to see more motorcycle content, let me know in the comments and I will try to do my best to get you some. Woo. Man, you guys have been telling me to get the ZL1. This one took a nasty smash all the way down the side. You can see, woof. Man. I'm gonna have to hit them up on Instagram. You can see them right there. Somebody must have been racing it for them and lost it.